Well, let's look at Shavi FS Hub, GBP USD. Look at GBP USD to see what lies ahead if there are other opportunities. And we'll look at economic dockets to see if there are opportunities that will present itself somewhere along the line. So let's look at the daily time frame and see from 2022 price action. We look back to draw analysis here. It's the last break of structure before the upswing and subsequent retest. And the GU have done well, but the overall trend is bearish. It's bearish. Overall trend is bearish in the higher time frame. So that bias we are not willing to change at any time soon. We have here resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest one, retest two, retest three, retest four, and GJ is gone. In April 2024, price made a touchdown. The last touchdown on that level was a final liberation whistle. Now set price moving up. So what we see here now is we have a demand floor. A demand floor where we expect price to return. It has every touch is a break of a previous high. Every touch is a break of a previous high. Every touch on the line is a break of a previous high. Now this is our floor. We need a roof. This is going to take a whole long time, but my professional roof will be priced completing this channel where I will label this blue, and I know it's impossible for price to get to this level considering the United States dollar electing a new sheriff in the person of President Trump, who promises to put America great. And I know Trump will do it. God help Trump to succeed, to restore America to its great potential, a land of opportunity, a land of milk and honey. You can't beat USD. You can never. So we see what happens here. We have another break of structure. That's what we are looking for. We have a structure here. Another structure. We want price to return into that structure. So we can take action and return into that structure. We ultimately call for price action, and we will not hesitate. The structure is not different from what we have here in 2022. The structure played again in 2023. The structure is almost the same, where we have a break of structure retest, retest, break of support structure retest, break of resistance structure retest one, retest two. We want GU to continue to play down. GU will continue to play down. And when we look at the current week formation, you will see that GU will continue to play down. We have a structure here, resistance structure, break of a resistance structure. We have a retest. We have the structure, resistance structure, break of resistance structure, retest, retest 2, retest 3, 4, 5. So I expect this price to continue to come down, let it continue to come down. The GU will continue to come down. And when we look up again, see if we have anything again from the roof. We have another structure from the roof. So for now, be very mindful of GU buy based on the structure of the market. You have to be careful with all GU buy because the market is setting itself up in a selling manner. But when market is setting up, don't let it set you up. It's setting up by after bridging this supply roof, the break of that supply roof and retested and price is sinking down with plans to return to the long-term demand floor. These are supply roof. These are supply roof, and these are series of supply roof, and as well as RS where resistance becomes support and break of structure. These, successful retest level, successful retest supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns on demand, a retest candle, and a new demand floor. Price upticked and stopped, and we want to find out why that uptick stopped. That uptick stopped because we have a structure from the bottom, a resistant roof. These are all resistant roof. We connect all our resistant roof, and you can see why price has stopped at that level. Let's connect our resistant roof. So that resistant roof was destined by structure to stop price. That area where sellers anchored to prevent further upswing. GU economy tried to tame the USD every time. But you can see this is the exchange rate between British pound sterling and USD. So right now you're going to need, if it's here, you're going to need 1.34 for $1. So let's see how it goes. The British pound has always been ahead of the USD. Always been ahead. So let's see. The British pound is the base currency, where the quote currency is the USD. So you're going to need 1.3, $1.32 for one British pounds. So as the price continues to go down, you will need fewer dollars to get British pounds because the base currency is the British pounds and the quote currency is USD. So GU will go down. GU will go down. GU go down. We're going to need fewer dollars to get British pounds very soon. Fewer dollars to get British pounds. And the structure is already saying that. So it's time. It's time. You need fewer dollars to get British pounds. As the price go down, price go down, price go down, continues to go down to parity. So what we see here is exchange rate. This is exchange rate, and this is time. So the close of market closed, and we believe that after break of the structure, price will come down. But however, is to be patient for buy opportunity, allow price to return here, break this roof, so that GU can go up and oppress the United States dollar. This is a roof, a selling roof one, selling roof two, selling roof three, selling roof four. So this becomes our supply roof where we wait for price. This is a valid supply roof where we wait for price. At that level, every time price comes there, it's a sell. A valid supply roof for sell. So that's a valid supply roof where we wait for sell. So what we do now is to see that we apply patience and caution to see how the United States dollar new sheriff will help the US economy, especially the greenback, get back to track. Dollar is backed by trust. So if we have a president who cannot restore trust, dollar loses value. So the value of dollar is based on trust. So we need a president we can trust in order for the greenback to see a significant upswing. So we look at also the monetary policies of Bank of England. If there are changes to monetary policy, Fed cut rate by 25 basis points, and we could continue to see, but we will look at our fundamentals to see underlying Bank of England change in monetary policy. But at the moment, patience is key and critical. We have a floor for demand for buy, and we have a supply for sell. Allow price to get to these two levels. Allow price to get here for you to trigger a buy. And allow price to get to the roof to trigger for sell until we have an official breakout from this range. We need an official breakout from this range. An official breakout from this range will expose the market in our direction. But at the moment, we go with the higher trend where we see GU doing its thing. So on daily, you can see that GU have picked up on daily. This is bullish on daily. This is bullish on daily. Ascending trend line, two ascending trend line. So for GU, what we think here, we have a floor and a roof. So be patient, allow price to get to the supply roof. A break of the supply roof will expose the market to a new high. A break of the demand floor will expose market to a demand floor. So we want exposure into critical areas. So if price breaks down, then we want British pounds to come to our demand floor. It makes a decent sense for buy at this level, 1.25906. This is a decent buy zone. So this presents a very clear structure of GU, and we'll be looking at it. So on intraday, it is best to be patient to allow price return to the floor The first floor touch was in August. We have an August floor, a demand structure, another demand structure, a break of structure, break of a supply roof becomes a demand floor. On that footnote, we want to see price and let price come back to that level where you look for a buy opportunity. And if we return to the roof, you look for a sell opportunity until we have a clear breakout. So if we break out from this floor, then it further exposes us to come down to the floor where we will have double confluence, a descending trend line, meet an ascending trend line, and the GU will uptrend again. Yes, if you get here, this is what you get. So we're done with GU. So GU can buy, GU can sell. On intraday, GU can buy, GU can sell based on the structure. It can buy and it can sell. So I may say it's neutral. So if you get a good buy opportunity, buy. Get a good sell opportunity, sell. It can sell and it can buy.